Okay, Art, I wanted to have a staff meeting, proper, sit around with some torpedoes, but everybody's just on the move. Yeah. So you've been hearing the buzzwords. We're pretty serious about home again, repower on the Nonsuch, and trying to get staff's thoughts. Go, no go.
Well, buongiorno, Mike. I am still recovering from being in Italy, but it's good to be back, and I think that would be a fine project. I have worked on home again many times, and yeah, that having a different engine in there I think would help Mike out quite a bit. And you got to put a hole in the bottom of the boat.
Turns out, and maybe plug a hole.
Well, I would imagine if you're going to add one, you should never have more than you need. No more than holes than you need. So I guess I'm gonna guess that he's going to do some of that fiberglass work. Or,
yeah, he did the rudder on King's Pride.
Yeah,
and
he helped put a bow thruster in my boat. And things like
so
that.
we got composite work covered. That's a win.
We still have some young candidates to do some grinding too. Maybe they don't know any better. We can see if we can put them in a monkey suit and send them.
Authentic learning opportunity.
Yes, learn why you don't want to be a resin head. But yeah, no, that'll be good. So beta.
Yeah, we're looking at a beta 30.
Nice. That'll be a nice little engine for that boat.
I think so. You can buy the fiberglass base, Mike says. So we're going to give it the green light, and then we're going to do a lot of, what to expect in a repower, considerations, cost, the whole analysis.
You couldn't convince him to go with an electrical sail drive?
No, negative. No. Somebody in the Nonsuch group has done that. Yeah. And they went up to the rendezvous and they were worried about getting home.
They were towed, yeah. They have range anxiety on the water as well. Who'd have thought?
So,
especially here.
Mike's inspiring. I was down and I recorded. You'll be able to see it. And he wants to sail at least another 10 plus years, and so
he's got 2 bionic knees now.
Worth the investment. And that's an inspiration. It's a fun boat to sail, and
he's motivated because he's focused on the end game. He wants to be back on the water.
That's right. It isn't going to be sitting out back for very long.
It's not going to be a queen, no, for sure.
No trees growing out of it.
Right. So that'll be good. Yeah, that's be wonderful. I'm looking forward to seeing it get down the street here, and that'll be a fun project. Sweet. I'm looking forward to helping out with that.
Well, I'm going to go knock on Matt's door. I'm going to go hit West, NCTA, make sure we got good buy-in, and then I can go back down. I'm already kind of in.
Yeah, I think the hook is set.
And we'll go down and see Mike and start making provisions.
Right.
We need lead time, so it's good. It's still fall.
Yeah.
I think it'd be a good spring project.
I think you could get the pan pretty quick.
Hope
that's
so.
Going to be the longest part, right? Having the engine, we can get the engine out in a day. That's no biggie, but...
Well, and I think Mike would be excited. I'm always repowered. Just having clean, fresh paint and everything nice.
You don't have to rub it in, Mike. I know what you're trying to do. I see the hook.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did video your boat when we was looking at other turds.
We have had this discussion more than once.
But we're not repowering yours quite yet.
Not yet. Not yet. I haven't found that ideal. I haven't put a ring on it yet for what engine I want.
There you go.
So there you go. So I'm looking forward to that. That'll be a fun project. Looking forward to seeing it here.
Go get the rest of the votes.
All right.
And then we'll make it happen.
Secret Greek ballots.
All right. Good to see you.
Yep.
Okay, Matt. I just tracked down Art. You're next. You've heard the buzz. I'm thinking, interviewed Mike. What do you think about a repower instead of a full-on refit?
I love that idea. A repower, especially on home again. It's a perfect project here for the program. We're just getting ready to finish up fall quarter, and then in a month we're going to be starting with our marine engines class and drivetrain class. So it would be fantastic to watch old engine get hauled out, help out with that. Best part, Mike's going to be doing the glass work to cover the old drivetrain holes and things like that, and then going back in with brand new beta with the sail drive. So I think that's going to be a really awesome installation for students to see. And then depending on how long it takes, we'll probably be getting into our advanced engines class, and they can be helping out with actually getting the engine set in there, but then connecting all the fuel, plumbing, etc. Wrapping up the project. Get our electrical students to wire everything, and I think it's an excellent idea. It's going to be a perfect, authentic learning opportunity for our students.
I agree.
Yep.
That's good. I got 2 votes for yes. I'm going to go find Wes.
You have my yes vote. Plus, I really love that it is, not our boat, so that the owner of the boat has an incentive to get it out of the school. So I love that. Keep things moving along good, and it'll be an awesome project for students.
Okay, so I'm here. I'd like to introduce Wes Friedel. What do you do here at NCTA?
I'm the instructor of the high school NCTA Maritime program, Core Plus Maritime this year. And we teach high school juniors and seniors from about 10 area schools, all things marine services related.
Yeah, which is excellent. I get to see
Yeah.
students around.
Yeah.
We've done a lot of collaborative work. I have 3 of your students that have moved right over
Right.
and are at Skagit Valley,
Yep.
that's what we just love, continuing again. So I was going to have a big staff meeting, but everybody's scattered. So I mentioned this project of Home Again, repowering Home Again with Mike Schweitzer, trying to get staff's opinion if they think we should do this for our next project, being a smaller scale and in the spring, and wondered what your thoughts were.
I think the timing's really good. I certainly want to do anything we can with and for Mike. He certainly is deserving of that. I'm always looking for extra projects for our students, as you know. Even the most elementary, basic entry-level student that we have in our class, to our more advanced and second-year students. The more they're exposed to everything maritime related, the better we are, they are, and of course, as a feeding program to the college programs, the more that we can get, the better.
I think so. Maybe I can capture some of your students on film as we document this next repower.
Absolutely. Yep.
Should be fun. Well,
yeah.
I'm going to make it happen.
Great. Looking forward to it. Any part of that we can be a part of and participate in and grow both them and our program. I'm all, and we are at the NCTA.
I think the first thing we'll do is get Mike to come in and do a talk with the class.
Yeah.
How much is why do you repower? How much does it cost?
You bet. Yeah.
Be good,
yeah, you bet.
good for students.
Yeah. It's just not something where you say, hey, I think I'll get a new this today. It's quite a substantial investment and technological gymnastics, I would say.
Yeah.
So,
yeah, absolutely. All right. Well, thanks for your time.
Yep. Thanks, Mike. Appreciate it.
Okay, that's a wrap. We got Art said he's in. We got Matt said he's in. We've got Wes Friedel, high school. They're in. Of course, I'm in. You can tell that from the beginning, because what an opportunity. Mike is a lifelong educator, and he's been in the marine trade, so he's a mentor. He's helped me. He's going to help students, so it's going to be a win. And as some of the other staff said, he's motivated to be sailing next summer, so we know that it's going to move along. He understands composite work. I'm going to get down there now, back on his boat. We're going to video the old engine. We're going to start going through. I want to document, like we did with King's Pride, how much does it cost? Questions you need to ask before you consider a repower. There's just a lot of moving parts, and try and get us a plan, get it going, and then move forward. Document all the way. New life into an old boat, but it's a great boat. It sails well. I've sailed on it dozens of times for staff meetings, and I will be happy to go out next spring and do a sea trial to see how that new engine's going to perform. So, thanks for watching.